You know that guy. The one who wakes up before sunrise, trains when others quit, works when others scroll, the one who doesn't make excuses. Cristiano Ronaldo, David Goggins, Elon Musk, different fields, same mindset. You look at them and think, I want that. I want to be that guy. But how? How do you build a mind that doesn't break under pressure, that keeps going when comfort calls? It starts here. 1. Understand pain is not your enemy. Pain is feedback. That's it. Your body says, this is hard. Your brain says, let's stop. But toughness begins when you hear that and move anyway. Not blindly, not recklessly, but with full awareness that growth starts after it starts to hurt. Goggins runs through broken legs. Ronaldo trains harder after every win. Elon sleeps in the factory when things go wrong. They don't run from pain, they run with it. Second, stop seeking motivation. Start seeking discipline. Motivation is a flaky friend. Sometimes it shows up, sometimes it ghosts you. But discipline, that's the soldier. It doesn't care how you feel, it just shows up. You want a tough mindset? Stop waiting to feel ready. Start moving when you're tired, when you're anxious, when it's raining, when everyone else says, just take it easy. That's where the real change happens. 3. Detach from the outcome. This one's hard. We want results. Fast. We hit the gym and check the mirror after 2 workouts. We work for a week and expect success. But the toughest people, they fall in love with the process. They don't ask, when will it pay off? They ask, how can I get better today? Elon didn't build Tesla overnight. Cristiano didn't become a machine in one summer. Goggins didn't flip a switch. He flipped his life. Play the long game. Become dangerous over time. 4. Get comfortable being alone. Not lonely, alone. Alone with your thoughts, alone with your effort, alone in the dark when nobody claps for you. A tough mindset is built in solitude. When you push without applause, when you grind without a camera, when you get up without someone telling you to. Tough people don't need cheerleaders. They have inner fire. 5. Turn weakness into fuel. You feel slow? Good. Train. You feel dumb? Good. Learn. You feel behind? Good. Work. Toughness isn't pretending to be perfect. It's facing your flaws and saying, I can fix this. Every wound, make it a weapon. Every failure, make it a lesson. Every doubt, make it your drive. That's how you become that guy. Now listen closely. You don't become tough by watching this video. You become tough by choosing one hard thing and doing it. Today, not tomorrow, not when you feel like it. The toughest mindset is built through action. Start small if you must. 1 cold shower, 1 hard workout, 1 early morning, but start. And when your brain screams, quit, smile, because that's the moment. The one that separates average from unbreakable